Hi everyone, RANA SIR is here. Welcome to our RANA SIR educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is the arithmetic progression. That arithmetic progression is also written in shortcut form, that is AP. A stands for progression, arithmetic, and P stands for progression. Okay students, now you I am going to give you some suggestion point and you follow it positively. That suggestion points will be such that first of all you have to take one notebook and one pen, and then you have to sit at your location properly and you have to note all informations which are spoken by me and also which are noted by me on the blackboard. So all this information you follow positively. Okay student, now you also present on this live video from starting to end for developing or updating and improving good knowledge on this topic, and simultaneously you like this live video and also you subscribe this educational channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that their knowledge can improve on this topic. Okay student, so you stay on this live video. Now I am going to explain theory of arithmetic progression, and I will also solve some questions which are based on this topic. So you concentrate on this live video. Here I am explaining mathematics, that is class 10th mathematics, and that is available in English medium. And in Hindi medium you want to know its solution and also questions, so you go in my video section, and that is there some questions and also all concept of the corresponding chapter I have prepared and uploaded there. In other words, we can say that first chapter, that is the real number, already I have explained there, and numericals I have also solved there. Now second term, according to that is second chapter, I have already explained there, that is polynomial. Third chapter I have also described clearly, and I have also solved some numericals and you also look there. Okay student, now third chapter whose name is quadratic equation, I have also explained same as previous chapters, and also chapter number 4, that is the quadratic equation, and now I am teaching that is the chapter number 5 whose name is arithmetic progression, that is written in shortcut, that is AP. So A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. Now here I am going to explain one concept, and that concept already I have elaborated in previous classes. Now here I am also going to explain that concept here, and I will use that concept in the written question. So that concept is such that we have to find the sum of first n term of an arithmetic progression. Now for here I am going to explain how we will get sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So that concept I will write here: sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. Arithmetic progression is, here I will say that Sn which is equal to n divided by 2, in the bracket I have to write 2a plus n minus 1 into b, where a is the first term of an arithmetic progression and b is the common difference and n is the number of terms those are available in arithmetic progression. Okay student, sometimes this formula can be changed in this form, n divided by 2, and here this way I will segregate a plus a, and in the other term I have to write here n minus 1 into b. Okay, student, further here I will say this is the last term, that is the nth term. I will write here n divided by 2 in the bracket. I have to write a plus am. So this is the another formula, and that formula is derived from previous formula. So this is the second formula, and each and every student has to remember it, because if you will know, so you will get small time. Yes, you will get time slot minimum, and within that time slot you will complete the question which are asked with you. Okay, student. So these two formulas you have to remember. And one information I am also going to say, if any sequence is given and that sequence has the nth term and last term, both terms will be equal. Last term of the arithmetic progression and nth term of the arithmetic progression both are same. Okay, student. So you have to follow these three information, and with these three information, if any question will be asked in the case of sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, so you can easily solve and you can easily obtain the answer of the given question. Okay, student. Now these are the concepts which are available in sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So this concept I will use in the written question, and then we will find the requirement. So I am going to read the written question, and after reading I will explain what is the meaning, what is the each exact meaning, because if you will take each sentence meaning and you will write properly, and after writing and you will convert it into equation form. After converting you will simplify. After simplification you will get the result which is asked in the question. Okay, student. So further you listen it carefully, positively. How many terms of AP means arithmetic progression? How many terms we have to get the value of n? That AP series is given as 20, 19 into 1 divided by 3, and also gamma 18 say 2 divided by 3, and so on, must be taken so that their sum is 300. Means sum of the first arithmetic progression is given, that is equal to 300. Now we have to get the first term of the given arithmetic progression, and also we will take common difference from the arithmetic progression, and after getting the value of first term of this arithmetic progression and also sum, we will take the value of SN. So I will say that SN is assigned, that is 300 is assigned in SN. So after simplification I will get the value of n from the given information. So, okay, student. Now further I will apply this equation number first, that is the formula number first, and after applying formula number first from the given sequence, I will say first term is A, and we will take the common difference, and that common difference is obtained by subtracting second term minus first term. So I will take difference, so I will get common difference and value of B, and also I will take the value of A, and SN is also given here 300. So after simplification I will get the value of n, and that value of n will be the number of terms, and if I will take the sum of all terms, so I will get its value will be 300. Okay, students. So this formula I will use here, and after using I will find its value. Okay, students. So further I am going to write all informations which are given in the question. So each and every student has to solve any question of the arithmetic progression or any subject. Student has to read each and every problem clearly, and student has to write all informations which are given in the question, and then student has to imagine how the question is asking and what is the requirement in that question, and then student has to select the required formula or derivation, and then student has to simplify. After simplification student will reach at destination. Okay, student. Now here I have written, so I am going to Right. First of all, student had to write here solution, and then student has to write given that. So all information which are given in the question, student has to write properly here. Given that. Given that. So that arithmetic progression is AP is, that is 20, here 19, side 1 by 3, comma 18, side 2 divided by 3, and so on. So we have to get number of terms of the arithmetic progression, but their sum S(n) which is given 300. These are the information, and these information are given in the question. Okay, student. So further we have to apply. We have to apply the formula for getting the number of terms of the arithmetic progression. So I know some of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So here I write that formula according to the question. I write A according to question. Here I have to write according to question. According to question. According to questions, S(n) which is equal to n divided by 2, and then here I will write 2a plus in the bracket n minus 1 into d. Now the first term is given here. Here I am going to write first term. First term I have to assume that is a. That is first term. First term, that is a, which is given here 20. Now we have to get the common difference, that is b minus a. Now second term is given here 19 say 1 by 3. So I will write here 19 say 1 by 3 minus 20. Okay, students. So after I will simplify. So here I write 90 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 20 divided by 1. I will simplify here. After simplifying, I will write this value. Okay, student. Now, about the information I am going to write, because here I am going to put yes I am. Value of S(n), value of S(n) is given here 300. So here I have to put 300. Now the value of n we have to calculate. So we have to put here n divided by 2, and 2 the value of a here a level 20. So I will put here 20 plus we have to calculate the value of n. Now d, the value of d I will get from here. So here I am putting same, because after simplification I will write its value. So above data I am going to get, because we have to simplify the value. After simplification I will write its value. What will be its value? So here I have written d is equal to this much. So here I will say d is equal to, after this I am going to simplify. So 3 on the 3 and 5. 57 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 20 divided by 1. Again I am going to simplify it. So here will be 58 divided by 3 minus 20 divided by 1. Now further I am going to simplify it. After simplification I will put its value. Okay. Now here I am going to say I will take its LCM. So 3 into 1 LCM will be 3. So this will be 58, and here will be 20 into 3. So here I will say that is 58 minus 60 divided by 3. Here I will say minus 2 divided by 3. So value of d I have got. Value of d which is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. So according to this way we have to calculate the value of d, because AP series is given. So first term is AP and second term we will take common difference. That common difference is obtained by subtracting second term from second term to first term. That is D is equal to second term minus first term. So according to that way, yeah, that process I will use after using, and then I will simplify. After simplifying, we will get the value of 3, which is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. Now here I have to substitute the value of 3. After substituting, I will simplify. After simplification, I will get the value of 3. Okay, student. So this procedure you have to follow positively. Okay, student. Now further I am going to resolve it. So here I have to put 300, which is equal to n divided by 2. Now in the bracket here I will say 2 to the 4, that will be 40, plus here I have to write n minus 1 in the place of d. I have to write minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, students, so these are the information and we have to follow positively. Okay, student, now further I will solve this expression. After solving this expression, and I will get the value of n, and that value is demanded in the question. Okay, student, so further I am going to erase the written data, and after erasing we will solve it. Okay, student, so here you have to follow it positively. If you are understanding very well, so you like this live video, and also you share this educational channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay, student, now further I am going to simplify. So above data I will also remove. After erasing, I will simplify the zero data for getting this result. So here I am going to write, like that, 300 here I am going to write 300. Now from this term I will take 2 common, so 2n divided by 2. Now here I will say 20, plus here will be n minus 1 by 3, because I have taken 2 common, so these 2 and these 2 will cancel out. So here I will say imply that 300, which is equal to n, and in the bracket I have to write 20, plus here I will multiply minus into plus, that will be minus n divided by 3, and here is minus and here is minus, that will be plus 1 into 1 divided by 3. Okay, student, so I have solved this. So now again further I will simplify. After simplify I will solve it. So here I am going to take common. So again here I will write 300, and here is n. Again here I will write 20 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 30 minus n divided by 3. Okay, students, so further I have written here. Okay, now further I am going to resolve this term, because this is the summation of fraction. So I will simplify separate, and after simplifying I will substitute its value. 20 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 3. So I will get 3 LCM, and this will be 20 into 3, and here will be 1 into 1. So here I will say this will be 16 plus 1 divided by 3. I will say 61 divided by 3. So after simplification I have got its value 61 divided by 3 minus n divided by 3. Okay, student, so after simplification I have got value at this point, that is 61 divided by 3 minus n divided by 3, and in the left hand side I have written same data, that is 300. So further I will simplify, and after simplification I will write its result, that is I will when I am going to multiply n with this term and also with this term. So after multiplication, I will say 61 into n, that will be 61 n divided by 3, and here minus plus minus, here I will say n into n square divided by 3. So above data I can write like this. So here I will put 300. 300 is equal to 61. 61 n divided by 3 minus n square divided by 3. Okay, student, if you have any confusion or doubt or any issue, so you write all your information in comment, and I will see your comment and positively I will reply. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase this one and above that I will erase, because next the last information I will again resolve, that is solve, and we will get the value of n, and that will be the answer of my question. Okay, student, so you concentrate, because calculation is typical, and this calculation you have to solve with patience. Okay, student, if you will have patience, so you will definitely get the right answer. So each and every questions are very easy, only you have to attention. Okay, student, now here I am going to write below data. I am going to write here same thing. You see 300 which is equal to 61. 61 n divided by 2. Here I have to write 3 and minus n square divided by 3. Okay, students, now below data I am going to erase, because after erasing I will simplify below data. So here I am going to write implies that now here 300 is available, and here 61 n divided by 3 minus n square is divided by 3. Now I will say this is the equation number 1, and in I will write one statement, and in that statement I will write multiplying with number 3 on both sides, and we get here I will say multiplying by 3 on both sides of equation number 1 we get. So this instruction I have to write here, and this instruction possibly I will follow. Multiply by 3 on both sides of equation number 1 we get. So this is the equation number 1, and in this equation number 1 I will multiply with 3 on both sides. So after multiplying I am going to use this instruction here. So 300 into 3, this is the left hand side, and is 61 n divided by 3 minus n square divided by 3. So here I have to multiply with 3 according to the instruction. Let it be according to the instruction, according to the statement, according to the information. I have multiplied in the equation number 1 with 3. After multiplication I have got its value. So here I will say 3 into this one, so that will be 900, and here we have to multiply 3 with this term and also with this term. So after multiplication I will resolve it. That is, I will solve it. So 61 n into 3 divided by 3, and then I will put here n square divided by 3 into 3. So here I am looking, these 3 and this 3 will cancel out, this 3 and this 3 will also cancel out. Okay, student, now further I will simplify. After simplify I will write. Now in the left hand side I have to write 900, and on the right hand side I have to write 61 n minus here is n square. So that relationship, that information, those information which are given in words problem, and I have used those I have used those information in the mathematical part. After simplifying I have got here a quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation I am going to arrange in standard form. So here all term I will put in the left hand side. So this here square term minus n square term will come in left hand side. So each sign will change. So here will be n square, and this 61 n, that is the plus, that term is plus. So here I will put 61 n, and then again I will write this 900 is available here. So I will say this is the 900, and then I will put in the right hand side, that will be 0. Okay students, so this is the required video, and this way I have to use. So this is the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation I will use the concept for getting its value. Okay students, so this is the required information, and this required you have to use properly. After simplification, I have got it. Now further I will solve this quadratic equation. After solving this quadratic equation, and I will reach at destination. Okay, this is very easy way to solve. Okay student, so further we will solve this n square minus 61 n plus 90, which is equal to 0. So after solving, we will get the value of n. Value of n will be 2, and these two value will intersect the x-axis at two different points. So I will say that quadratic equation has two zeros value. Okay student, so further I will solve. After solving, I will get its result. Okay student, now further I am going to erase above data. After erasing, I will find its value. Okay student, now here I am going to erase this one. After erasing this one, I will find the value of n by solving the quadratic equation. So roots of the quadratic equation can be obtained by several methods, but here one method I am going to use, that is the general method, and that general method is very simple, and you have to adopt it. First of all, I am going to write n square minus 61 n plus 90 which is equal to 0. Okay student, now further here I will write in the left hand side imply that here I will put n minus 61 divided by 2, and then I will put its whole square, and here I will say 61 divided by 2 whole square and plus 900. I have to write here. After writing it, I will further simplify. So I will put here n minus 61 divided by 2 whole square, and here I will say, and this can be like this, 61 divided by 2 whole square, and plus here I can write 30 whole square, 30 whole square. So again I will simplify it. So further simplify, I will simplify here. I will write n minus 61 divided by 2 whole square, and here I will say that can be as this will be, here I will multiply 61 into 61. So I will say 6 just 36. Okay, 1, that will be 2, this will be 6 plus 1 7, and this will be 3. That will be 3 7 2 1 divided by 4, and here will be 900. Okay student, and in the right hand side I will put 0, because all term I have taken in left hand side. Further I will simplify, because I will put here 900 divided by 1. So after simplifying it, I will say minus 3721 divided by 4 plus 900. Here further I will simplify it. After simplifying, I will take its LCM, that will be 4. Here I will say 3721 plus here 900 into 4. Again further I will simplify. Here I will write 3, 7, 2, 1 plus 9 4 36 and then divided by 4. Again here I will say its value will be, I will subtract from this. So here will be here I am going to subtract, because after subtracting I will get that value and that value I will put here minus 3 7 2 1 and here is 3 6 double 0. Now here I will say this will be 1, this will be 2 and this will be 1 and here I will say minus sign. So here will be, again here I will write n minus 61 divided by 2 whole square minus here I will write 121 divided by 4 which is equal to 0. Okay student, so now further I have to simplify this above data. This data I will simplify, therefore I am going to erase above data for further calculation. Okay student, each and every step I will explain in detail. Now here I am going to put like this n minus 6 divided by 2 whole square and here I will say 11 divided by 2 whole square. 11 divided by 2 whole square, because if I will take its whole square, so I will get same value. I will get same value. 121, that is the square of 11 and 4 in the place of 4 I can write here 2 whole square. So if I will take the square of 11 divided by 4, that will come 121 divided by 4. Okay student, because I am converting given quadratic equation in this form. That form I am going to write. I want to arrange that given quadratic equation in this form, a square minus b square. So I know its factor will be a minus 3 in one bracket and in other bracket I will write a plus b, because the given quadratic equation I am going to arrange in this form. First term is a square and second term is minus b square. So its factor will be a minus b in one bracket into in second bracket I will write a plus b. Okay students, so given quadratic equation, that is the particular quadratic equation I have arranged in this. This is the a, this is the a and this is the b. So below data. So in the box written that information I will say that is a. Here I will say this is the a which are written in the inside the bracket. So here I am saying that is a and here that is b and here is a. So here will be a square minus b square. So I will write in one bracket n minus 61 divided by 2 minus 11 divided by 2. That will be in one bracket into, in second bracket I will write n minus 61 divided by 2 plus I will write 11 divided by 2 and on the right hand side I will put 0. Okay student, so this concept I have to use for getting the required factor of the given particular quadratic equation. Now what I am going to write it. So here I am writing, so this is the numerator, this is denominator, this is numerator, this is denominator, this is the right fraction. So denominator is same, so I will take summation of numerator. So this will be this much divided by 2. Here I will write like this, divided by 2. In one bracket I have to write in other bracket I will write n minus in the bracket I will say 61 minus 11 divided by 2. This will be in second bracket. So student has to care on this line. Student has to care on this line. So I am going to write this line because student has to care on this point, because here if I will take minus, so minus will come outside from the bracket. So I will write here 61 plus 11 divided by 2, and here I will take minus common, so this will be plus 61 and this will be minus 11 divided by 4. So after simplification I will say this term will be 0 or this term will be 0. After making 0, and we will get the value of n, and those value will be the I will select which value will be the number of terms which are available in arithmetic progression. Okay, further I am going to solve this. After solving, we will decide which value we have to take. n minus 61 plus 11, that will be 2, and this will be 7 divided by 2 divided by 2, and in second bracket I have to write, in second bracket I have to write like this: n minus, this will be 0 and this will be 5 divided by 3, which is equal to 0. Now this will be 0 and this will be 5 divided by 2. Okay students, so after simplification I have got this value. Now further I am going to create a bracket, and after creating a bracket I will get its value after simplification. So now further I am going to write, imply that in the left hand side, and here I have to put n minus, when 2 is divided, when 72 is divided by 2, so I will write here 2 3 is 6 and 2 6 is 12, and in other bracket I will write n minus 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. So this will be 0. This will be 0. So according to this way I have got its value. Now I will say this term can be 0, this term can be 0, or this term can be 0. This term can be 0. If I will take multiplication of these two terms, so the multiplication of these two terms will be 0 when this term can be 0 or this term can be 0. Okay students, so there is two cases, and these two cases I will solve. After solving I will get the value of n. If condition 1 or case 1, I will say if n minus 36, which is equal to 0, this is the condition number 1. When n is equal to 36, because here the student has to concentrate, because this 36 has minus sign, and this minus sign, it will go in right hand side, so its sign will change. So in the left hand side it has negative sign, it will go in right hand side, so I will write here or plus sign. So here will be plus 26. And now here, now case number second, condition number second, if I will write n minus 25, which is equal to 0, so I will say n is equal to 25. It means that if it means that n is equal to 36 and n is equal to 25. It means that this is the sequence which are given in AP, which are given in AP, and this term, if I will add, I will take 36 number and I will take the summation of all 36 numbers, that will become 300. If I will take only 25 number, and after taking sum of all 25 numbers, then I will get sum will be 300. Okay student, so both are answer of the given question. So any one value of 36 or 25, if I will take, and I will take the sum of all 36 terms, so after taking summation of all 36 terms, after taking summation I will get its value will be 300. Its sum will be its sum will be 300. Now here I am going to write clearly its sum will be 300. Or if I will take sum of 25 terms of this AP series, so after getting sum of 25 terms, after getting sum we will get 300. So this is the required number of terms of the AP series. Okay student, so according to this way any quadratic equation can be solved by using this formula a square minus b square, which is equal to, in the bracket, in first bracket I have to write a minus b, and in the second bracket I have to write a plus b. So multiplication of these two factors, that will be a square minus b square, because you can check it. This is the identity, this is the algebra identity, and you have to use this concept for solving, for getting the factor of the quadratic equation. Okay student, so this is the answer of the given question. According to this way you can solve each and every question easily. Okay student, now further I am going to say, if you are understanding very well, so you like this live video, and also you subscribe this education channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve, that is update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay student, so topic is very important and each and every student has to focus on it, because some question can be asked in your syllabus and also in UP board, because concepts are same, only language is different, because if you will continuously listen and learn and how I am approaching the question for solving, so you have to follow this step, and after following, so your English language will be also easy, and so you can also solve any question in English medium and also in Hindi medium. And when I will get time, so I will make its solution in Hindi medium, and I will also explain concept of arithmetic progression in Hindi medium, and then I will upload, and you will find in my video section on the YouTube. My education channel ID is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR. So when you will see, so there you will get live video, and also video section. In video section you will get all video in Hindi medium. Okay, and some informations I am going to explain every day. I will be live 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 8 past to 15 p.m. That will depend on the question, because if question will take more time, so I will keep time for you, because this is free online coaching classes and you take advantage from here. Okay student, positively you take the advantage of this live coaching classes. Okay student, now further I am going to take another question for solving on this topic. Okay student, so this is the time slot, and during this time slot always I will present live, and you take its advantage. 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. always I will present. Okay student, this time interval can be increased. That depends on the question. If question will be long, so that question will take too much time. So after completing, then I will terminate communication with you. Okay student, so you follow it positively. Now I am going to take another question which is also based on this topic, and I will solve, and after solving, and then I will explain each and every concept in detail, and those concepts will be on arithmetic progression. Now next question I am going to take from the textbook. First of all, I am going to erase written question and its solution which are available on the blackboard. Okay student, now after erasing, I will write the questions in detail. Okay student, now further here I am going to write its answer. answer will be in in the form of unit term. Okay, student. So first of all, here I am going to write the question number 2, and that is taken from the textbook. Here question is written: if sum of first n term of an arithmetic progression, if the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression here I am writing in shortcut form, that is AP, is given by ESN is equal to 6n plus 7n square. 6n plus 7n square. 6n plus 7n square. Then find the unit term. Then find the unit term. Then find the unit terms of AP. We have to find unit terms of AP. Here, sum of n terms are given. First n terms are given. Now we have to find unit terms of an AP. Again, next question is also involved here. Also find 10th term. Also find 10 terms. 10 terms of an AP. Okay, students. So here now I am going to read question, and after reading question we have to explain its meaning, and after explaining its meaning I will solve the question according to the procedure. Now here question is given as written as: if the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by formula. So here I am going to write information, that is solution, that is given that. So that information here I have to write given that. ESN, the value of ESN is given 6n plus 7n square. This is given. This information is given. Now then find the unit term of AP. So here we will get the value of unit term. So that unit term I can obtain by the formula, but here next information I am also going to give. Now here full stop is given. Now also find 10 terms of that arithmetic progression. So it is very easy because the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is given in general form. So we have to get n terms of that arithmetic progression. That n terms of that arithmetic progression can be obtained by this one. N terms of an arithmetic progression that is written as an, which is given as ESN minus ESN minus 1. So this is the formula, and you have to remember it. Because if you will know if a sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is given, and we have to get n term of that arithmetic progression. So that arithmetic n term can be obtained by this way. That is, this is the sum of last term, and this is the sum of this is the value sum of first just before term. So I will take the difference of these two terms, so I will get a value, and that value will be nth term of that arithmetic progression. Now I will use this formula. Now here I will say this is the equation number 1, and I will say putting the value of PACM in equation 1, that is every same, but in the I will say this is the equation number 2, I will say this is the equation number 1, and this will be equation number 2 systematic I will explain. So putting the value of S in the place of n minus 1, and after substituting I will get the value of S n minus 1. So from equation 1 I can write here, from equation 1 we can write. So here we can write in the place of n I will have to yes n minus 1, here I will say also n minus 1, and then here I will put here 7 plus in the bracket n minus 1 whole square. Okay student, further I will simplify. After simplifying I will put its value here, and after taking the difference of these two terms, and that term will be nth term of that arithmetic progression. Okay student, so further I am going to simplify. So here I will say 6n minus 6, here will be here 180, here I am going to use a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This identity I will use here. After using I will simplify. After simplifying I will get its result. So here I will say 7 in the bracket I will write n square plus 1 minus 2n. Okay student, further I will multiply each term with 7. After multiplying I will simplify, and then I will get the value of s suffix n minus 1. Okay student, now further I am going to erase above data, and after erasing above data I will substitute here, and after substituting, after simplifying I will get the value of an, that will be the unit term of that given information nth term. Okay student, further I am going to erase above data for further calculation. Now here I am writing here n minus 1, which is equal to 6n minus 6, and these informations I am going to put here, and after putting I will simplify it, n plus 1 minus 2 here. Okay student, now further I am going to simplify. This is 6n minus 6, and here I will write 7n square plus 7, and then I will say 7 to the 14n. So further I will simplify here. This time I will write here 7n square, and this will be minus 14, and this is minus 6. So I will say 8. So here will be 8n, and here is plus 6, and here is plus 7, here is minus 6, so this will be plus 1. So after simplification I have got its value s here minus 1, which is equal to this much, and the value of Sn is also available. I have to write that Sn, which is equal to 6n plus, here that is given here, 6n plus 7n square. So both value I have got. So we have to take difference of this term minus this term, that will be nth term. So I am going to use nth term. Nth term can be obtained by the formula Sn minus Sn minus 1. So value of Sn is available here and value of Sn minus is also available here. I will take difference of these two terms, and after taking difference I will get its value, and in the form of n, that is in the form of variable. Now further I am going to erase above that after erasing, and I will substitute this value. Now n which is equal to Sn is written here 6n plus 7 n square. In one bracket I will substitute, and here in the formula minus is available, so I will put minus. Now in the place of n minus 1, that is written here 7 n square minus 8n plus 1. Okay, further I will simplify. After simplifying I will get this value. Now here I will write 6 n plus 7 n square minus 7 n square, and here minus and here minus is available, so multiplication of minus and minus, that will be plus 8n, and here is plus and here is minus. I will put here minus 1. So I will simplify this table. Here 7 will, so I will get 7. So this 7n square, this minus 7n square, and this 7 plus n square, that will be cancelled out. So here I will say 6n plus 8n, that will be 40. 14n, and here is minus 1, so I will put here minus 1. So unit term I have got here. Unit term of that arithmetic progression I have got n is equal to 14n minus 1. This is the answer. This is one answer of the question which is asked in the question. That is the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, which is given by the formula this, and we have to find the unit term of that arithmetic progression. So this is the unit term of that arithmetic progression. Now here we have to find also 10th term of that arithmetic progression. So I will put in the place of n 10. n is equal to 10. I will substitute. I will say this is the equation number 3. So here I will say this is the answer I have got it, and I will say this is the equation number 3, because equation number 1 and equation number 1 here from equation number 1 and 2 I have supposed earlier. So the value of n I will substitute here. After substituting I will get its value. So that will be like this. So I put a 10 which is equal to 14 into 10 minus 1. 14 into 10 minus 1. So I will simplify. So here I will say 140 minus 1. So I will say 810. Here I will say 810. 810 is equal to 140 minus 1, that will be 139. So this is the second answer of my question that written in the question. So this is the first answer and this is the second answer which is asked in the question. So according to this way, any question of the arithmetic progression, each and every student can solve it. Okay student, if you are getting any doubt or confusion or any issue, so you write in comment positively. I will see your comment, and after looking your comment positively I will reply it. Okay student, so this is the free online coaching classes, that is the class 10th mathematics, which is available in English medium, and this is based on NCERT pattern and it belongs in CBSE board. Okay students, so here I am explaining the concept of sum of first m term and arithmetic progression. So here I have taken two questions for solving, and also I have explained the theory of this chapter. Okay, students and audience, thank you for watching this video. If you are getting any confusion, so any doubts, so you comment, and I will see your comment positively. I will reply you. And I will say always I will purchase 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. That will depend on according to question. If question will be long, yeah, big, yeah, in long, that question has long paragraph, so that will take more time, and I will explain each and every term in detail, so time will be there more, and that time I will provide you. Okay, after completing the solution of the question, and then I will terminate the communication with you. Okay, students, so thank you for watching this live video, and also you like this live video, and also you subscribe this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update their knowledge on this topic. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.